Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I have a Corsair HS80. I'm going to show you how to replace the ear pads on these. We have a few different types available for purchase. We have the mesh fabric ones, which are washable and very comfortable. We have our protein leather, which is a traditional type of ear pad, memory foam as well. And these are also very soft and comfortable. And then we also have our velour type, which is the kind of a plush, soft plush material. I really like these ones. These are my favorite. They are super comfortable. When removing the ear pad, you want to grasp it very firmly and twist it away from the headband. It might be on there pretty tight. You might have to give it a couple of tries. Each ear pad is labeled left or right. So when you remove the ear pad and get the new one, you want to make sure you're putting it on the right side. And then you want to place it on a bit of an angle here. Cock it to the left a little bit and then make sure it's flat and flush, and then twist to the right. Twist towards the headband. And you might have to twist a bit hard. These are a little bit stubborn to get on there, I've noticed. So you might take a couple tries, but once you do remove them once, they should go on pretty easily. First time you remove them, they may be a little bit difficult. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. We have these ear pads available at CentralSound.co.